Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory the Ozarks, and this is a tutorial for Bernice for the piano chords for That Wonderful Someone. We're just going to do the 4 primary chords. This is the right hand part. We're starting with an A flat chord, 1, 3, 5, on A flat, C, E flat. And then we'll leave the 1 on A flat, that's going to be the common tone. Lift up the 3 and replace it with a 2 for the C, and the pinky will just move up here to the F for that F minor chord. We'll do that in first inversion. So again, A flat, root position, F minor, first inversion. Then from here we'll leave the thumb in place again, move the 2 down to this B flat, put the 3 on the D flat, and leave the 5 on the F. So again, this is F minor, this is B minor 7, again F minor, B minor 7. So if we put those 3 together, we have A flat in root position, F minor, first inversion, B flat minor 7, and then for the E flat 7, we'll do, oh wait, actually, let me think through that again. I might change my mind about. Okay, just kidding. I remembered what I was actually going to say for that one. So we'll go. This is the B minor 7. And we'll take the 1, move it down to the G. The 2 stays on the B flat. The 3 stays on the D flat. And we just move the 5 to the E flat. I'm just tucking my finger out of the way to make it easier to see and putting my fingers flat. But of course you'd actually want to play it with a nice rounded shape like that. So again, here's the B flat minor 7. And then to get to the E flat 7. So again, and then, whoop. So if we put it all together, we have A flat, F minor, B flat minor 7, and then E flat 7. I'll do it one more time. And for the left hand, yeah, maybe move over here a little bit. I would put my left hand in A flat major position like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And for the A flat, you just play A with the pinky, A flat with the pinky, and hold it. For F minor, you have to take your thumb, don't move these fingers, create a gap to play the F, and then put it back on the E flat immediately. So again, you're not going to play the F like this, you're going to play the F like this. And then the B flat with the 4th finger, and then the E flat with the 2nd finger, or with the 1st finger, sorry, like this. So A flat, stretch, F, B flat, E flat, A flat. And then if we put the hands together, this is in 4/4 time. So we will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll do the switcheroo here and the stretcheroo here. And then this is going to be the left hand. This is going to be the right hand. And the thumb's back here again. And this like so. So if we put it together with the damper pedal, and you could do this, you could use the 4th finger on that E flat if you really wanted to. That feels a little more comfortable to me. think those are the inversions that will give the smoothest voice leading, which will sound the nicest and also be the most efficient for the hands. That's a pretty difficult progression, really. Those are like kind of complicated chords, but hopefully that's helpful.
All right, thank you.